So, it's March 20th, 2020, and I still don't have it. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a little rant. Like I mentioned, it is March 20th, 2020 and I still don't have it. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about Android 10 on my Xiaomi Mi A3. Where the hell is Android 10 on this device? It is an Android One device. I believe every Android One device out right now is at least on Android 10, except for the Xiaomi Mi A3. Now this device was released last year around midsummer, and the Android One program is a great program when you follow it to a T, and I think Xiaomi itself has not been following it. This is an overall great device, but it has not got its updates as it's supposed to get. It's got security updates, but when a major OS is released, these should be one of the first devices to get the next iteration of Android, and it has not got any update whatsoever to Android 10. We are still on Android 9, which is Pie. Samsung has got Android 10. LG has got Android 10. Nokia on the Android One program has got Android 10. Motorola's and all of these other devices except for my Xiaomi Mi A3. Now this device, when it came out, was about $200 and something. It is a great device for great specs, but being that the only reason why you probably picked this up, and it's because it's an Android One device, has failed you, I do not recommend getting the next iteration of the Xiaomi Mi A3, which is probably going to be the Xiaomi Mi A4 Android One, because they do not update these devices as fast as we expected them to. And it kind of sucks, you know what I'm saying? Because you spend your hard-earned money on a great device and you expect to get these updates because they're part of that program to get these updates, and nothing. You do not get absolutely anything, and that is outrageous. So let me know if you have a Xiaomi Mi A3. Let me know if you've gotten Android 10. I highly doubt it. They keep promising you to get the update and they keep pushing it back and pushing it back. And let me know if you bought the Xiaomi Mi A3 and you're going to continue to buy the next iteration of the device. Me personally, this is probably going to be the last device from Xiaomi I buy, well, especially an Android One device. If it's the other one, you know what, you get what you get with the other versions, but this is an Android One device. When you're expected to get an OS upgrade and you don't on a timely matter, then it kind of failed. I kind of feel like Google needs to regulate on them and kick them out of the program or something, or give a specific timeline when it should be upgraded to the next iteration of Android. Because waiting like this, when you're expected to have the OS update as fast as possible, because it is a Android One program phone, and they don't deliver, it just kind of leaves a bad taste in your mouth. So let me know what you guys think about the Xiaomi Mi A3. If you picked one up, did you get your update? If not, let me know if you're going to pick up the next iteration. Let me know what's up down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This has just been a quick rant. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.